Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. Welcome to today's video and today's video update. So every day since February 2021, I've been updating a cryptocurrency portfolio. Been doing this on a daily basis. The cryptocurrency portfolio was started last year. Started documenting it, recording the documentation in order to use for analysis and case study purposes and so on and so forth. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is before I go to the my spreadsheet rather, I've got to do the disclaimer. But make sure you watch this video to the end, because after the update, I always talk about something of importance. And like I said, I've got to do the disclaimer now. So this is not financial advice video, and I'm not a financial planner or financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. So do your own due diligence, your own research. Make sure you, consult financial advisor before you make a financial decision. And also remember that in any kind of investing, there's always a degree of risk. So make sure that you do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Okay, so that's important. So what I'm going to do is share my screen and go to the spreadsheet update. And this is the spreadsheet that I've been updating on a daily basis since February. Let's go all the way up. February. Yeah, since February, we've been updating it. And we've got three main columns: the altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals column. So the first, and also the green and red is when it's gone forward on the previous day. Okay, and the red is when it's gone backward on the previous day. So you can see sometimes there's some good runs when it goes forward. Many times then it goes backwards and forward and backwards, and so on and so forth. So we get lots of those, and begin to form a pattern which can be used for analysis. But basically what I want to do here is come down to the date we are right now. So this is the 15th of September. And I get the figures on this page here, which is comes in from a live feed into an asset group, and then you get the final figures here. So this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a special selection of specially researched alternative coins apart from Bitcoin. And then we have the totals at the top here. Left hand side is US dollars, and the right hand side is same portfolio just in British pounds or pound sterling. And this is the percentage split. Show that I put the majority of my money into the altcoins. I want to take this figure here, 160,034.98. So let's see. So 160,034.98. I believe that's right. Double check. Yeah, that's correct. And then, so if I bring that down here, that is gone up by 3,419. So that's can stay green. And the next one is 207,561.20. 207,561. 207,561.20. 207,561.20. Let's check. That will do. It's just changed, but like this figure changes every 10 minutes. What I should really do is change this figure. I'm going to update this figure real quick. Let's see if we can update it before I change it again. 207,725.26. 725. For goodness sake, these figures. 207,275.26. 275.26. And then this one was changed to 159,733.02. 159,733.02. So that's still green. Make sure I got that right. Yeah. So this is live and in real time, and well, not real time, actually 10-minute lag. It updates every 10 minutes, so that's fine. So it means Bitcoin's 47,542. And it's all green, so that's good. Went up by 698 today, probably yesterday. And the total portfolio went up by 3,816. So that's good. Save that. Let's go to talking about Bitcoin and the market. So the market, as you know, has just gone through what we call a it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, and looks like it's, looks like some people think it's going to make a correction. Well, this channel here, when it fell into this channel in the 16th of May, it went deep into it, tried to come out of it, it was pulled back into it. This channel acts as quicksand, and over the last 10 years, Bitcoin has never been able to. The facts of the charts are over the last 10 years, whenever Bitcoin has gone into this from an upward trend down into the channel, it has stayed there for an average of a year. So it's been here for 100 and something days. Been there for 120 days in the tunnel. 120 days from the 16th to now. And so 120 days is so, it's still got a way to go. Now, interesting thing about what's going on in the market, we look at certain indicators that actually show and track how the flow of the market, whether Bitcoin goes up and down. And what we're looking for, Bitcoin is about to make its biggest move in this year, 2021. Every year, Bitcoin makes a major move, either upwards or downwards. So what we're waiting to see, or what I'll be observing, is Bitcoin coming down through this yellow line. And when it comes up, like it went down through this line here, or like this, when it comes down into the line, when it comes up, okay, out of the line, if it changes color to the white, it means Bitcoin will go downwards. But if it changes color to, goes up and down and comes out red, that means you're going to see a rise. Okay, so this is one of the powerful systems that we use to track Bitcoin's movements. So we're waiting for it to go down under the yellow line and come out. If it comes out red, it will rise. It'll be another rise, meteoric rise. If it comes out white, there'll be a downward trend. And even though this is on a smaller scale, it was more significant. This was actually quite a significant drop. This was like a 55, 58% drop. So yeah, it's nothing to sneeze at. So we'll watch and see. The golden cross, which has just happened today. So you can see today's golden cross there, but we can't see. In fact, I'll show you here. This is the actual price. I'm trying to take the price away because price is in the way. You can see where they actually meet. It has officially crossed today, 15th of September. There's an official cross right here. So this is the moving day average, the 20-day 50-day moving average in green, the 200-day moving average in red, and they have officially crossed. And that's meant to signify the upward movement of the price. But to be honest with you, I would say the upward movement has already occurred. Now, the next question is, because after a golden cross comes a death cross. After a death cross comes a golden cross. And question is, this trend here really kind of represents what's happening here. And there might be a slight increase just because of the cross, the actual cross on the day. But the key important thing is this. This kind of tracks, projects and predicts roughly what's going to happen next after the cross. So you can see the green line will continue going this way, the red line going this way. It's most likely that it will come down. That this will kind of come down. And so that we'll have another kind of cross, something like this, around the end of October, beginning of November. And this will be a death cross, okay? And so what happens in between this area is going to be very interesting. In the middle of this is something going to be very, very happy. It's going to be very interesting should be happening. We're going to observe this. And but after a golden cross should come a death cross. But what it also means after the golden, this was also, get rid of this. After they do a golden cross, a death cross here, funny enough, there'll be another golden cross. And there's another golden cross. That means, again, prices are going to rise, towards the end of the year, into the early next year. So we've had a golden cross. It looks like there may be another death cross. We have to watch and see how price unfolds. And if this starts to curve downwards, we know that we've got a death cross coming. And watch what happens in between this kind of time, this kind of length between this kind of time frame. Okay, from the end of September to beginning of October, as price moves according to that. Okay, and then there should, price should actually start to correct itself again. Get rid of this. So what I'm trying to remove these lines. So look out for that. That's going to be interesting development. I predict a lot of people celebrating the golden cross, and they don't need to celebrate the golden cross, but I believe a death cross will be very short. Will come very shortly after. But just watch and see, in conjunction with the Gaussian channel. Okay, in conjunction with the Gaussian channel. So, because according to this channel here, this is a downward trend, and there are other indicators that also show a downward trend, which I won't go into. A possible downward trend. For example, if I go back and talk about this figure here. Let's share the screen again. This the RSI actually shows a downward momentum in Bitcoin, and so we're actually watching this. There's an upward here, but it's a downward here, and we have to watch this very, very carefully and see whether the movement starts moving upwards, or whether it actually will go down, continue downwards. Well, there's a downward momentum, you know, a lower high, and a lower high, which is a downward momentum. This is also a lower high. So if Bitcoin were to get above this level in the RSI, then we should probably start maybe to see an increase on it. Should rise beyond this level. Once Bitcoin gets beyond this, you know, it's going into an upward trend, as we had here. Once it past this, we had that massive upward momentum. But we shall continue to observe this. So, like I said, between the death cross, the golden cross, this indicator here that shows once it goes down, you know, and comes up, what color it's going to come up, that will show us, you know, that will signify Bitcoin's biggest move of the year. And you know, you want to be ready for that. But yeah, I don't you know, think Bitcoin is going to escape this tunnel, the quicksand, as it has never done that in its 10-year history. So we shall watch and observe as it gets sucked down, probably to, you know, to this level, or to the orange or even the red level. But we shall watch and see. I'll keep you posted. By the way, if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe this video, and help other cryptocurrency investors and traders. And by the way, if you're interested in finding out more about what we do, IamWealthy, go to this website. Links below the video, but you can go to IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down and hit this form. Fill out this form here. Get your millionaire mindset investment strategy now, free. Fill out this short form and start working on yourself, and start working on the strategy. And then we can connect. Send us an email. We'll get you more information after that. So with that, I want to ask you to, like I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe this video, hit the notification button if you haven't, so you can be notified of future videos that I release. And also, I want to thank you very much for your time and watching, and have a wonderful and fantastic day. Okay, so take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Bye.